guys, it's Todd from Vapor Hunting Technologies. We've got a piece of plastic off of a motorcycle that a customer wanted to do a half and half on. So we taped off half of this and we blasted this side with glass bead to try to bring back the color for the original color of this plastic. We did a fairly good job. We removed most of the crud and contaminations on here, but we do have a little bit of white showing through from the sun bake that we weren't able to actually clean that part out. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, give me a call at 828-202-5563, extension 108.